I'm in ProCalc. We're determining jetting for a blown alcohol engine for 11 o'clock tomorrow. The weather information from that was taken from Air Density Online tracks program, in which we selected the tracks from the list, and that gave us the temperature that was forecasted for tomorrow at 11 o'clock for our qualifying run. What I'm interested in at this time is I want to increase my fuel pressure. So what I'm going to do is go into the jetting from pressure, jetting calculator, jetting from pressure program. Now this selects all the data from my baseline for this setup. I can change my baseline to one of three. This one for a blown 1471 engine combination. That's already been set up in the baseline profile. The blower is 15% over. The blower displacement's 543 cubic inches. And we're selecting a volumetric efficiency of the blower of 98%. Our fuel pump flow is in there and some additional information. Now our air-to-fuel ratio is 3.94. That was just under 4 to 1 for this engine combination, which would be appropriate for a wedge engine. And our pressure from the baseline was 87 psi. We've entered our weather data. All the nozzles and everything are entered, but what's going to happen is the calculator is going to determine the nozzle main bypass combination to get that pressure. Okay, it's selected. Since we have two rows of nozzles, 16, the average diameter would be 43 thousandths in 130 inch, 0.130 main bypass. I'm going to increase the pressure from 87 psi to 150 psi. And jetting from pressure has determined that we would need an average diameter of 038 with a 114 for the main bypass. Again, it keeps the same air-to-fuel ratio, the same mixture ratio that has been determined in previous testing.